Do you ever want a sandwich, but also spaghetti, but also breakfast? Then you need this recipe. First, make some meatballs. Add finely chopped onions, cumin, chili powder, and fresh cilantro or parsley. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onions and a few cloves of finely chopped garlic to a pan with about a tablespoon of oil in it. You want to fry them until they are at least beginning to turn golden brown, or until they're evenly golden brown. Both ways work. The more you caramelize onions, the less chunky the final dish will be. Next, add diced tomatoes. You can use fresh or from a can, but if you use from a can, I recommend adding at least a few extra fresh tomatoes just to add that brightness of flavor. Add a teaspoon of turmeric, cumin, and paprika along with the tomatoes. Throughout the cooking process, I add a few more tablespoons of parsley to keep brightening up the flavor. Let this mixture simmer for about 30 minutes, stirring occasionally to keep it from sticking to the pan. Then, add the meatballs and a cup of water and cover for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, these meatballs should be done. At this point, you can crack fried eggs over it. Cover again and let those eggs cook for around 5 to 10 minutes. After that, you're done! I like to serve over a piece of toast with a little bit of everything on it. Tomato, meatballs, and eggs. Oh man. Thank you for watching, and I hope you'll decide to try out this awesome recipe. For more tasty recipes and gardening adventures, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Happy cooking, everyone!